This is the presentation of Jalcare system. This is the home page of the system. As we scroll down, we can see the About Us or the history of the clinic. There is also a tab that presents some of the offered services of the clinic, like transvaginal UTZ, breast ultrasound, and so on. Another page shows some medical tips and guides that will help to the patients, like the do's and don'ts during pregnancy. And if you want to set an appointment or make a consultation to the clinic, you need to log into the system. But if you don't have an account, you must register here. Upon the approval of the admin, the user can now set an appointment and make a consultation. This page displayed the assigned QR code for the patient and some basic information. The patient can also download QR code and edit the profile. The patient can view her own medical history and pregnancy record, but because the user don't have any record so far, it displays no record yet. The patient can also set an appointment to the clinic. This modal displays the schedule of the clinic. The patient needs to choose appointment services that offered by the clinic and the date and time. After setting an appointment, the patient will wait for the approval of the admin. The status will change to scheduled after the approval. Next is the online consultation. By clicking the Add Consultation button, the patient can send her concern or question to the clinic. After the submission, the patient will wait for the response of the doctor. After using the system, the logout is located at the icon of the user. Here is the admin access. The admin can manage and view all the patient record. The admin can also edit the account of each patient. The admin can also view the list of the appointments of every patient. The status is already scheduled because the admin approved the appointment. Next is viewing and adding medical records of the patient. Admin will fill all the fields of patient and an obstetrical history. The Add Record button will be used in every checkup of the patient of the clinic to have a obstetrical summary. Next is clinic services and guides. The admin can manage services by adding, deleting, and updating offered services of the clinic. In the consultation page, it will display the concern and questions of the patient. The doctor can respond to the question of the patient. It shows who sent the concern and the date and time. In the appointment page, it will display the schedule of the clinic and the patient who sent an appointment to the clinic. The admin will approve the appointment. And then the status will change to scheduled. It will show in the calendar after the approval. The admin can also use the search bar to find the data in the table. Last will be the payment list or the billing record of the clinic. By clicking the Add New Payment, the admin can now save a record of every transaction in the clinic. The admin can also print all the records to have a monthly or weekly report. The QR code will be used in retrieving patient medical records. The patient can also print their own records.